Hey, good morning. My name is Phil Bally, and I am the founder of the Guided Growth Syndicate. So I began my journey from a freelance sales closer to a full-fledged agency owner a little over 3 months ago. In that time frame, I've secured 5 clients, and I am seeing my calendar fill up more and more each week. None of this would have unfolded as rapidly as it has without the Atlas Agency Launch Lab. Their Done For You program is the most complete and comprehensive that I've ever come across. But beyond that, their responsiveness and their care is second to none. They will literally even attend sales calls with you if that's what it takes to help you land clients. So I keep telling Sheena she needs to raise her prices. Like, you guys, this is at least a $30,000 value here, and they're only charging a fraction of that price. So if you're thinking about signing up, I'd suggest you do it before they listen to me. But I'm just kidding. We're not going to put you on the spot like that. But seriously, if digital marketing is your goal, if you want to provide for your family and give them the freedom that they deserve, then you really need to stop looking and start taking action. Because I can promise you, you will get out what you put into this. This is the real deal. And I look forward to getting to know you on the inside of AALL. So cheers.